Good morning. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. If you hear an echo, please forgive me. I'm filming in a different location. I'm actually filming in one of my dormers, but the natural light right here is really nice. So I figured, you know, you won't mind too much. Also, don't mind my hair. Couldn't be bothered with fixing it. So today's video is going to be a long-awaited vlog. It's been a good long while since I filmed a proper vlog. You know how it is, life gets in the way at times, but I'm definitely gonna make it a goal to do more of these more often. So let me know if you wanna see more of these down in the comment section down below. So in the Friday's vlog, I didn't really talk too much because I had family members with me and I didn't wanna make them feel uncomfortable. But just to kind of summarize Friday, because you are gonna be seeing footage from it right now, we went to this really cute, very small, quaint local diner that has some of the best prices, and it is so delicious. So I had a hamburger, of course, you know, I'm the hamburglar. And then from there, we went to a local bookstore. It's gonna be the same bookstore that you're gonna see multiple times in this video because I went multiple times. So this place is huge. It's quite literally a maze. You can kind of like go around and get lost in all the books. And I actually copped a squat in one of the little nook areas and didn't realize that the night before, because of the weather, they had a pretty significant roof leak. So yeah, I had like soggy bottoms for the rest of the day. Love that for me. And then the last thing that I want to mention really quickly is I'm not going to be wearing makeup for the remainder of this video, except for probably the outro. So if you notice that my skin looks kind of wonky, that's because it is really wonky. I have a terrible Hashi's rash. I have hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's. And so I have like a butterfly rash going across my face on both cheeks. So if you notice it, if you notice that I'm looking terrible, if you notice that my hair ain't fixed, it's a vlog. It's real life. I don't look pretty every single day. I promise you that. We have a broody hen. Let's try to get her out. Hi, Peach. Hi, Peach. Are you broody? Are you broody? Huh? Are you sitting on eggs? Let me see. Come on. Come on.
I don't think she's sitting on this. I think I'm taking
You want to get her?
Yeah, go get her. Wait a second. Not want to move.
Oh, ma'am. Come on, Peach.
Oh, the brood.
5 minutes later.
What are you doing, Peach? Are you trying to get back in that coop? Quick outfit of the day. This is what I am wearing to go run my errands. This is a sweatshirt from Bonobus and Fielder that I did a review on a week or two ago. It is from Walmart, and I'm wearing some Walmart wind pants that I also did a review on probably 2, maybe 3 years ago at this point. So, and of course the checkerboard Vans, because you know it's gotta be checkerboard Vans. So hair up in a pony, no makeup, looking A-class, and let's go. What are you doing, Gary? Are you being a good boy? Are you being the bestest boy? Are you being the bestest boy? No. All right, y'all. I got a quick question. Does anybody else's cats poop in the rocks right next to your car? So when you get in your car, there's a higher chance of you having cat poop on your feet or on your shoes. Anybody else? I would love to know. Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day so far. So today's video, as I mentioned in the intro, I'm sure, I don't even remember what I mentioned in the intro at this point, but I'm gonna be going to a thrift store that's about 30 miles from here. It's one that I've never been to before, but I've heard somewhat good things about, and I am really excited to try them out. I love thrift store shopping. So I'm originally from South Louisiana, south of the I-10 corridor, and they always had the best thrift stores. It's like you go into these places and it gives you all kinds of feels. You know, you can find like really amazing vintage clothes, even plus size vintage clothes. Like there's really cool like beaded and sequins 80s jackets that just are so pretty, and they're all like intricately made, and you can find it for like $5. Those are the things that I love to find. And since I've moved to North Alabama, I haven't really found the thrift stores that I thought that I would. I was thinking that I would find a lot of really cool things in thrift stores, and I have found some things. I can't deny that I haven't found some things, because I really have. I found some really cool furniture things. The dresser set that's in my bedroom is a thrifted bedroom set. So that actually saved me some money right there. But really and truly, as far as clothes go, I don't really find a whole lot. So I'm going to be trying this different place and see if it's good or not. And I'm also going to be going to a plant nursery that they have up the road that has really inexpensive like tomato plants and cucumber plants and stuff like that, because I went to Lowe's yesterday. Y'all, I don't know what's happening to this world. But one cucumber plant was $4.78. I don't know how people afford to grow their own food. So I'm going to be going to this place and see if they have anything. I don't know if they have anything or not, but we're going to try it out. And I'm going to take y'all along with me. I'm also going to be going to a used bookstore, and I'm going to get some books, because I don't know about y'all. And let me know in the comment section down below. But video games, I love playing video games. I have always enjoyed playing video games. Video games just are not good right now. It's been a long time. I don't think I've played a really good game since God of War, and that was in 2019. So everything else has just been mediocre. I was really excited for Cyberpunk, and it just came out broken. It was terrible. So we bought Elden Ring, played Elden Ring. I really enjoyed Elden Ring. My husband was watching me play it the other day, but you know, sometimes it just gets so hard that it takes the fun out of it. So it's kind of like a Dark Souls game. Am I losing y'all? Anyway, I just find that like TV shows and movies nowadays, if it's not like a DC or Marvel or something like that, I'm not interested in it. Like, there's no really good shows or movies that are coming out nowadays. It's all like remakes of old stuff, and I'm kind of tired of it, you know? But yeah, so I'm gonna really give a wholehearted attempt at reading more books. So I'm going to check out some books by Joe Abercrombie. I've heard really good things about him. I had asked you on Instagram, what are some authors and what are some books that you would like me to try out or like me to read? And somebody suggested a book from Joe Abercrombie. So I'm going to try him. I'm going to go to a used bookstore and see if I can find it. If I can't find it there, then I will go to Books A Million, because I know they have a Books A Million in town as well. So that's what I'm doing. It's starting to rain. It wasn't even supposed to rain today. It was supposed to be clear and beautiful like it was yesterday. But you know, it's going to be what it's going to be. So I'm going to go get some plants. I'm going to go get some books, and I'm going to go get some thrift store clothes if I can, if I find anything. And I'm going to take y'all along with me. So let's go. Y'all, so I just made it to the thrift store, and I gotta tell you, this place is hella packed. I was not expecting so many people to be here, but you know, it is what it is. It's a Saturday and everybody's kind of out and about while the weather is somewhat nice. It's been kind of rainy and overcast, but it's fairly clear right now. So and it might not even be that packed because they have a Harbor Freight right next door, so maybe it's a lot of people kind of parked on this side. I don't know, and I won't know until I get in there. I racked up at the thrift store. I got all kinds of stuff and I'm pretty excited about it. So I have been in there for a little over 2 hours. The place is huge. I was really surprised. They had just about everything you could ever want apart from accessories. They did have some, but it was all kind of junky. And I know for a fact they have a Taco Bell right up the road here, so I might go there because they have nacho fries. Nacho fries are back. I love nacho fries. They also have that like wild strawberry freeze that's always so good. If you've been watching my vlogs, I think every single time I do a vlog like this, I stop at a Taco Bell and get the wild strawberry freeze because it's just so good. But they also have a KFC right behind me, and I'm kind of been tempted to try their chicken sandwich. You know, like the copycat of the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I've been interested to try that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead, head out. I have a little ways to get home, and I'll see you there. Give me that nacho fry. Give me that nacho fry. Give me that nacho fry with the cheese. Let's go, sir. Let's go. Guess what I got? 2 orders of nacho fries and a wild cherry freeze. It's not called a strawberry freeze anymore. It's called a cherry freeze. Who knew? Peach. Oh. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Oh, you got out on your own. You got tired of being kicked out, huh? All right, y'all, so I just got home. I'm on my back patio and I wanted to show y'all what I got from the nursery. So the first thing I got is this bushel of Vidalia onions. I've never grown onions before, so I thought it'd be a lot of fun. And then I also got lots of tomato plants. So I got brandywine tomatoes, which I've always really enjoyed growing. And then I got Chadwick cherry tomatoes and then grape tomatoes. I also got this really nice strawberry bush or strawberry vine, whatever. And then I got 2 things of the white eggplant. I've never grown white eggplant. I've always grown the purple. But this is what the plants look like. And I don't know if it's too early to grow here. Sometimes we get a late frost, but I think I might try. I think I might try to. Why you want to mess with me? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the dirt and see what it looks like.